Back to my channel. Today I filmed a video that I wanted to film for so long, and it's about all of the things that I brought from Japan. It's about food, makeup, my skincare, all that sort of stuff. I just wanted to buy everything. It was really tempting. So my trip to Japan has really been amazing. It is so different from everything that you see in Western countries. The landscape are different, the people are different, the food is different. Everything is so weird and so unusual that you're going to love it. First thing, we're going to start with the best thing, which is food. So I bought the matcha one, and you've got the matcha, the strong one, but matcha is such a strong flavor, so I know that for some people they don't like it. The branded one, I love this one. It's so unusual. Then I'm sorry I can't open it because I bought that for my parents and I still haven't sent it to them. And then for the Kit Kats, again, I just find the packaging so beautiful because it's the Mount Fuji, so that's why I bought it. But it's also cheesecake flavor, so I'm pretty sure it tastes really good. I bought this royal milk tea. In Japan, you've got a lot of different drinks, from hot drinks to cold drinks, and they really enjoy milk tea. Then we got the Pockies. I'm pretty sure it is coming to Europe, and also I'm pretty sure it's already here in America. But this one is strawberry flavor, and it is so good. I bought 4 stuff, especially hair mask. So I bought this one, which is with honey, and I find it really good and it smells so good. I highly recommend it. And I bought this one. To be honest, I haven't tried it yet because I just wait to finish the other one, but this one is more organic and kind of natural stuff in it. I bought the really famous one from Shiseido. You can find this one in all of the Don Quixote. Don Quixote are shops in Japan, really big. I think you have 6 floors, something like that. And yeah, you just have so many stuff in here, stuff that you won't even imagine you can buy. This one is for really thin hair, just as mine, and I really like this one. And I also bought this one, which is not a hair mask, not a shampoo, but it's more like a hair cream to really moisturize my hair after I get out of the shower. I just put it in the end of my hair, and I find it works really well. Then it comes to my skincare. I've been using a lot of the skincare products. Japanese is well known for having really good skincare, and also Korean people. Korean girls have one of the best skin in the world and the best products for skin. So in Japan, yeah, I went a little bit crazy, and I've been really using these products daily, and I love them. The products, I'm going to try to find a link for them, and I'm going to put them in the description bar below. So the first product is this one, Johnson's. I think you probably have also this one in America and maybe in Europe. It's like a baby oil. It's made for a baby, but I use it on my legs, on my arms, on my body, and it moisturizes so well because here in Canada my skin got so dry. I think this works so well. Like when I dried my legs with that, it works for about 2 or 3 days, so really amazing. Then I bought the natural aqua gel product, and this is one of my favorite thing that I bought in Japan because it makes wonders, and this is just crazy. It's a kind of face scrub, but really gentle for your skin, and you have to apply it on dry skin. And when you do that, it just gives you some of your dead skin, and yeah, it's a little bit gross, but that works so well. And I found that my skin was so soft after that, so I really love this one. And Japanese girls, it was the sale when I was in Japan, and Japanese girls were just having huge packet with 5 things like that, and also a full basket of perfect whip from Shiseido. Then I use the Goku-Jun, I don't know how you say that, but I use that as a toner on my skin. I just feel like it gives my skin a really soft look, and I love it. I really love it. You can just buy this one in grocery stores, in Family Mart. You have this one everywhere, and it's not expensive at all. Then I bought the Biore one, which is a UV protector, and yeah, it just protects your skin from the sun. And even if you don't go to the beach, you have to put some sunscreen on your skin before applying your makeup, so your skin is protected. Then it comes to one of my favorite product also. It comes from the same brand as this toner. It's just a moisturizer cream, and I find it so watery that I love it, because I have a really dry skin and I'm just half of the pot already. Then for the makeup, I didn't really went crazy. It was more about skincare, because about makeup I already have my favorites, and it's more American brands. So I just bought 3 stuff. I bought this mascara. I really like this one because it just really has a really small brush. This brand is one of the famous in Tokyo in Japan, so it's called Heroin Make from, I don't know, it's all written in Japanese, I'm sorry. But yeah, this one has just a small brush, and I like this one for my bottom lashes because it works really well for me. Then I just bought a really simple gloss. I was just wanting one for so long, and this just works perfectly. Then this one is so cool. It's for my eyebrows, and you've got both sides, one side with the powder and one with the liquid. I use the liquid one, and I always find that for all the eyebrows products, this one is the one who works the best, because most of the time for my eyebrows, I just found that most of the makeups that I use are just getting my eyebrows too dark or too strong, and I don't really like it. I think it's just kind of ugly because my eyebrows are already kind of drawn or strict. Then we've got different sort of stuff. So I bought this one, which is for the new year. Just put that on your door, and it's like a lucky charm. Then I bought this little purse after my wallet got stolen, because I was not confident with just a backpack or just my handbag, so I just bought this one. So my boyfriend just made fun of me for buying that, but I was like, you know what, I don't want my stuff to get stolen again, so I'm just now going to travel with this thing, so I know my passport and the important things are with me. Of course, you probably have seen that in everyone going to Japan. It is masks. So these masks are made for when you're sick, when you kind of having a cold or something like that, or when you just don't want to breathe the pollution, or because you are in the subway and you don't want people, because you're really close to people in the subway, so you just don't want to breathe, you know, all the bad stuff. Then I bought this stuff because if you want to find some cute stuff in Japan, you are in the good place, because every Japanese girls are just so pretty. Then my boyfriend also gave me this bag, and I just added this so cute little kitten. It's no, it's not a kitten, I think it's a fox, and it's kind of a lucky charm fox. and my boyfriend was making fun of me because every time, you know, I walk, he knew I was walking behind him because the bell was just ringing, and then I stopped for taking pictures or all of that. He was like, I know you're taking pictures because I don't hear the ring belling anymore. Then for my nighttime routine, I just remove my makeup when I'm wearing foundation with this Perfect Whip. It's like a really gentle thing. Then I bought this mask and this one too. You've got 32 masks in this one. You can also buy them separately, just a single one, and I think they work so well and they are so comfortable to wear. So yeah, that's kind of the things I brought back from Japan. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. I really enjoyed filming it, and I hope you want to travel to Japan now because it's such a beautiful country. If you don't want to miss my workouts, my recipes, or my travel, please subscribe below so you won't miss that. And don't forget to like my videos, so it really motivates me to create more content for you. I just love that. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!